Considering applying to the University of Lincoln through clearing this September? Don't worry, we've got you covered with our step-by-step clearing guide. To get started, find your course using our Clearing Course Finder on the University of Lincoln website. You'll find detailed information about the entry requirements and details about the course. Even if you find that your qualifications don't exactly match the entry requirements listed, we encourage you still apply. During the clearing period, we sometimes have more flexibility within our entry requirements. We're here to help you through the process, so please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Ready to apply? You don't need to wait until results day to secure your place at Lincoln. If you've got your grades or are waiting for exam results, we may be able to offer you a provisional offer based on your predicted grades. Just give our clearing hotline a call. Have your UCAS account details and grades ready for a speedy decision. Got an offer? Awesome. Add us as your clearing choice on UCAS. But remember, clearing spots are first come, first served. Next, visit us. There's nothing like experiencing the campus firsthand. We have plenty of opportunities to visit this summer. Come see what Lincoln's all about. Now let's talk money. You don't need a confirmed place to apply for student finance. Just put us down as your preferred choice and get your funding sorted for tuition, accommodation and living expenses. Lastly, choose your accommodation. We guarantee all new undergraduates who apply by August 31st a spot in our modern, award-winning residences. You can apply for accommodation through the booking portal once you've received a course offer letter. You'll be right in the heart of the city, just a short walk from campus and the high street. Still have questions? Well, we've got the answers. Whether you're changing your mind, applying late, or worried about making friends, we're here to help. Our UniBuddy community is perfect for connecting with future course mates and housemates. Still need more information? Call our clearing hotline at 0808 164 4444 or contact us via our socials. Check out our website and follow us on social media to stay updated. We can't wait to welcome you to the University of Lincoln.